a match that saw uh, 5 or 6 whirlwind knocks, an overall run rate of 11.3 runs an over, a match that lasted barely 35 overs because of, like I said, this raw power hitting combined with the dew making its impact felt big time. But despite all this, Mumbai Indians versus Royal Challengers Bangalore will obviously be remembered for two factors. Virat Kohli was involved in both. I'll come to the second bit later on. But most importantly, this match will go down in the history of IPL as Jasprit Bumrah's yet another single handed dominant performance. Like I said, despite all the batting dominated performances, when you look at Jasprit Bumrah's analysis, 4 overs, 21 runs, and 5 wickets, more as much as those 5 wickets mattered, it was those 21 runs. Something similar uh, did he achieve when he considered just 22 runs in 4 overs in a match that saw 440 runs being scored over the weekend. Come Thursday, and he does it one step ahead. He just keeps doing it. To dismiss Kohli up front in the power play set the tone for the night, and he came back to first dismiss a set of Duplessis and then ensured that the Royal Challengers Bangalore's big hitters or the tail, barring Dinesh Karthik, just could not wag. In the end, those 25-30 runs that Mumbai Indians managed to save as a result of Bumrah's 2 death overs turned out to be a key because, mind you, yes, Mumbai Indians may have won with 27 balls to spare, but with the dew increasing with every passing minute and the target appearing lower and lower with every passing over, starting a chase with a sub 200 total at 1 day, a target of sub 200 and a target of 230 odd, as we saw the other day, makes a huge difference. And that's where it was Bumrah all over at the 1K day to dismantle RCB. And in so many ways, Bumrah gave RCB's bowling lineup a lesson on how to bowl in such conditions. Mind you, both the overs, the death overs that he bowled in, 4 wickets he picked on those 2 overs combined. Around that time also, Dew had started making its impact felt, but still, it was Bumrah who yet again did a Bumrah to kill the game. And the other aspect that I referred to was obviously Hardik Pandya was again booed twice, but for the first time he received loudest of cheers. And who would have played a part in it? Yes, it was Virat Kohli. We saw Kohli doing what he did with Steve Smith during the 2019 World Cup. Something similar did Kohli manage to achieve at the 1K day when the crowd started heckling Hardik Pandya on his arrival at the crease. Even before he took guard, the crowd had actually started welcoming him with jeers. Kohli actually gestured to the crowd in a way indicating that don't forget his India emblem, his India jersey, and suddenly those jeers turned into the loudest of cheers. And Hardik responded by starting his innings with a six and ending the match with another six. Can Mumbai continue to hit yet another six in its sixth match on Sunday against yet another towering opposition? I'll be here with you to tell you all. Till then, keep tuning in to Sportstar across all our platforms. Thank you.